Good morning. Very excited to be here today to present on some of our latest data generation from Hydrafacial. So Hydrafacial is a unique company that's really at the intersection of what we call med tech and beauty. Our treatments are both for the medical channel as well as the non-medical channel, such as spas. We're really a company that created this category, now called specialty facials, you saw from the BCG presentation earlier today, and really are the gold standard in microdermabrasion, or in our case, hydrodermabrasion. We have a number of patents to support our technology. We are now doing about 5 million treatments per year globally. And what's also pretty amazing is we are the second most known brand in aesthetics after Botox. Our secret is this patented Vortex technology. We are a closed loop system. We have a great device that basically can be adjusted and personalized depending on the patient need. We have a handpiece that has different tips to, again, do different levels of that microdermabrasion, from very gentle and mild to all the way to a medical grade diamond tip that's only offered in our medical channel. And we also have a very unique treatment. So one thing that I've noticed in joining Hydrafacial is most people don't understand what's involved in the treatment. This isn't just another facial. We actually have a suite of different treatments combined into one, including lymphatic drainage, a chemical peel, deep exfoliation, the infusion of a booster, which can be for a number of different skin indications, whether it's anti-aging or brightening, as well as then hydration and LED light options, both red light and blue light that can be used for acne. We do have a number of studies out there showing our results, both immediate and initially after treatment, as well as long-term. We have histological data demonstrating the benefits of the Hydrafacial treatment on skin health, improvement of the skin barrier, improving collagen stimulation and elastin stimulation. And I think what's really great today is, as we're seeing this evolution of consumer trends, is that we're really poised to capture on all of what we're seeing our patients want. So we know now today 1 in 8 Americans have tried GLP-1s. We also know that use of these products actually can accelerate facial aging. It can also lead to hair thinning and hair shedding. And this is something that I'm going to talk about today, is the hair shedding. We also see people wanting to move away from fillers for lips. We're going to be launching a new lip tip that can actually plump the lips, exfoliate, give them that glow back, that youthful lip. And we also, again, are trying to really bring more data to the table to differentiate from some of the competitors. So let's talk about hair. So beyond just the dermatological indications, disease states of hair loss, from alopecia and such, there's also this need for general hair thinning that happens with age. But it's also becoming more prevalent due to all of these different over-the-counter products that people are using. Who knew that dry shampoo can actually increase your rate of hair thinning because of some of the chemicals in there? We know hormone changes with menopause. There's a lot of different things people are using day to day that are actually damaging their scalp health. So we have a three-step approach to basically optimizing scalp health. So extending people's concern about their skin now to their hair and their scalp. So really, we're using our same device treatment with a specialized tip to first go in and stimulate blood flow, remove excessive debris. As you can see from that picture on the right, this is a dermoscope, microscopic image of real close-up of what does your scalp look like. It's amazing how much stuff is in your hair if you've ever done this. If you look on the bottom, this is basically our famous gunky jar. So after the treatment, what did we actually pull out of your skin? You can see on the left, that's someone's typical face. But on the right, look how much stuff they're getting from someone's scalp. It's amazing how this can really clog the hair follicles and cause damage to them over time. So we basically clean all of this out, we stimulate the blood flow, we then infuse our Carrie booster serum that provides a lot of peptides and growth factors back into the scalp, and then we have a take-home over-the-counter spray for people to use every day. So what's different about our peptide complex, it's a concentrated blend of 7 proprietary biomimetic peptides and growth factors. It's also encapsulated into a nanoliposome. This allows for deeper penetration of these peptides into the scalp, the hair follicle, you can see in the pictures on the bottom. And we have done a 20-week multi-center study to basically look at the efficacy of this. So we did a mix of both men and women who had hair thinning. We basically provided 3 of our HydraScalp treatments, 1 month apart, and daily use of our take-home peptide spray. We then did both investigator and subject assessments of the thinning of the hair, the overall improvement, the itchiness, dryness, and overall satisfaction. So the results, we were able to show a significant reduction in hair thinning over time and improvement in hair appearance overall. We had very high patient satisfaction. You can see some examples of the before and afters below, that subjects believe they saw an increase in hair fullness and were very happy with their results. We also have some great representative real-life photos, because again, things in studies versus real life is always people are questioning. We have a lot of great examples showing that with these treatments over time, people are improving the hair on their scalps. And here's some examples of men. So in summary, we find that this treatment, again, it's a really great, easy way for people who don't want to get injections, who don't want to have downtime, who want to have a quick result. They can get high scalp treatment. It's very pleasurable. It's nice to get, promotes fuller, healthier looking hair, and is proven to have good results. Thank you so much.